Hello everyone. In today's video we shall learn how to do the simple Bujo text effect in Notion, and as always I'm going to type down the code, explain it as we go, and if we find any error when testing out the equation we shall learn how to rectify it as well. So let's get started. So to start off I'm going to use a font, and to get this exact simple Bujo text effect I'm going to use the font Math BB, but you can literally use any font of your choice. If you want an ancient scrollish type of effect, you can use the Math Frak, that is Math FRAK font, that function. Or if you want a typewriter kind of a font, you can use /T with extra 2 T's at the end, or literally any kind of font that you prefer. So to get this exact kind of Bujo text effect, I'm going to stick to this font, that is Math BB. And now comes the fun part, that is where you have to enter your text. So to do that, I'm going to open a bracket and type in one letter. So I'm done with the first letter. So now I'm going to use a function which helps you get this dot that you can see, which is in between H and E and L. So for that particular function, again you use a slash. Anything with a slash is a function. So put in a slash and type in C dot, and that's pretty much it. So you have to put slash C dot immediately after the letter, and followed by a space, and again another letter, and again slash and C dot, and again space and Y. So I'm just going to use letter H. So it depends. If you have a 3-letter word, the amount of function you have to use is 2, because there's like 2 gaps between the word, right? There's a gap between H and E, and between E and Y. So it's like that. So go ahead and close it. So close the equation. So this is the end of the equation. So let's go ahead and test that out. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a word. So let's go ahead and copy this. If you know this equation by heart, you can go ahead and straight away just type in the word, use a create equation. Just paste it right there, and there we go. I'm going to make this slightly big so that it's visible for you guys. And I'm going to use H1, and yeah. It's really cool, you know. So let's go ahead and try it with different fonts and see. Obviously the outlook will be different, but we shall see how it looks. So I'm going to use MathCal. Let's try out MathCal if it works. Alright, there we go. It's much more cuter if you ask me. Let's go and see for, let's try out Math SCR. That's also pretty cool. So MathCal. So let's just stick to MathCal, and you can obviously add in color. So let's try adding color. /color. Let's do cornflower blue. Okay, there we go. So you can mix and match different functions in the equation to get your desired effect on this very simple Bujo text. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.